everyone. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to get yourself logged into the Inside Optics platform via Showfloor. So come with us while we go and take a look at all the steps you'll need to successfully log in and register and see Inside Optics. All right, so you will receive a link to the Showfloor app and you will just click on it. And if you don't have the link, you can always go to our website and you'll be able to click on it if you're already registered for Inside Optics. So when you click on the link, you're going to see the sign-in page. Now, you don't have a Showfloor account quite yet. So what you have to do is create an account. So here we are at the Create an Account section. And so for this, you'll have to put in your first name, your last name, your email account, and a password. Make sure it's a strong password so no one else can get it. And then click Continue. So this brings you to the Inside Optics 2021 registration. And so here you will create your profile. So this is the business card that people will see when they interact with you on the platform. So the first thing you do is you can choose to post a photo of yourself. You don't necessarily have to, but it'll help put a name to the face. So the next thing you'll want to do is you'll put in your title. So for me, I'm the media coordinator. For the Ontario Opticians Association. And then you can put in your LinkedIn. You don't necessarily have to, but it'll help you connect with all the other attendees and also the reps. All right, so here we are at the reception area. And so you can see the number of people who are online at the same time as you. So far, it's just 2 of us, and that's okay. I'll be going to the OOA booth to meet up with Martin in just a few minutes. Welcome to the reception area. Here you'll find all the information that you'll need for the entire day. So as you can see up here, I have my business card with all of my information on it. And so underneath that on the right of the screen, you can find your quick jump menu, which is your welcome remarks, sponsors, schedule, exhibitors. And in the center of the page, you will find all of those things just in an expanded version. If you scroll down, you'll see who our sponsors are. You'll see our schedule, and then you'll also see our exhibitors. So to go and visit booths, what you do is you go to Expo, click on it, and then I've already looked at all the booths, but let's take a look at the College of Opticians. So you can actually look and see who is available and who is not. So in this case, we have no reps available because they aren't logged on right now. So what I'm going to do instead is, because I do know that Martin is online right now, I'm going to click on the Ontario Opticians Association. Here we have the Ontario Opticians Association booth. And so on each booth, you're going to see a number of slides and videos. So you can go through them. So we have a video up there. Then we also have a slideshow. And it just talks about what we're doing for opticians, how we engage our members, and how to get in touch with us, which is always important because we want to hear from you guys. There's also PDFs that are available to you, and then also our website. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you can choose whether or not you want to pass on a booth. Like if you're not interested, you can click pass. Or if you are interested in coming back to it later, there's also the pick option. And so in this case, we want to talk to a rep. So we can speak one-on-one with Martin LeBeau. So let's chat with Martin.
Hi, Jennifer. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome to the Ontario Opticians Association's booth.
This is awesome.
Now let's take a look at the group chat function. All you have to do is click on group chat instead, and you'll see a box that pops up like this. On the left-hand side, you have the external chat where you're able to type in your questions, comments, say hello to your fellow attendees. And on the right-hand side, you'll have the representatives doing product demonstrations, answering questions, all sorts of fun stuff. You may also request the chance to speak live with your video on, and all you have to do is click underneath the button where it says leave chat full screen or request to speak, and you just click on that, and if the rep decides to let you speak, they will invite you in, and away you go. These are the key features of this part of the platform. So let's continue our little tour and move on to the next section of our tutorial.
All right. The next place we're going to head off to is the stage. When you're ready to head over to the presentations, all you have to do is go over to the left-hand side of the page and click on Stage. Now, the stage isn't open today, but on March 21st, you will click on Connect to Stage and you will see the presentation at the designated times. If you're wondering about the schedule, it's on the right-hand side of the page. And you can scroll through it. It will tell you who is speaking at which times and what topics are being delivered at which times. And just a friendly reminder, you have to view the entire presentation and answer all 3 poll questions to receive your credits. Thank you for watching the Ontario Opticians Association's Inside Optics video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to phone the office or email events@ontario-opticians.com. Thank you all for watching, and see you at Inside Optics.